What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got this CVS valve here, code P2422, evap valve stuck, closed. So this customer had a problem trying to fill up gas. Every time he went to gas pump, everything just overflew and everything just shot back up because there's no ventilation. So 2019 Honda Accord, that's what it was. Excuse me. So today I'm going to show you, I am going to post the rest of the clips of the video that I did the job, but to change this guy, all you need to do is go to the dealer. This is the part number on this valve. This valve is what it looked like. You got a 2-pin connector. You got 2 O-rings on it. And the part number, original from the dealer, that's what you're looking at right there. And I don't know how much the customer paid, probably like an $80, $90 valve. And he went through water, so we had water in this, and the flood we had a little bit, so it got packed. So this thing has 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. That's how it comes off. And then they got a air pipe, and it has a sensor, and it's located, if you're looking from the back of the car, it's on the passenger side, just like this. I'm gonna post the rest of the clip how I change this. But in this video, all I want to show you is, oh, you see water's coming out? So that's the water that was in there. So this valve, to put in the valve, what you need to do is, when you get a new valve, put a little bit of oil on this seal here, both of these. Okay, a little light coating of oil. And you see one side, the notch is smaller than the other side. So, and as you can see on the canister itself, you got one side notch is fatter, one is skinnier. So you simply take this guy and you stick it in there, and you simply just push it in, and it clips. Okay, there you go, clips right in. Now to remove it, what you do is you need to pull this back and also pull the opposite side back. So I am going to go get a small little screwdriver. Okay, we're back with the screwdriver. So you simply just pull this back. You could twist this valve, but you don't need to twist the valve. All you need to do is pull back on the notch. It's a little flexible. If I had a little bit of better table, you see that? That's what I'm doing. And just open it up a bit. Do the same thing for the other side. And after that, you should be able to pull this. Okay, this thing caught back, so the rotators are going to try to catch them back. But this thing, okay, the other side caught in out. Let me just push this back a bit. It is going to be a little bit tough because those seals are going to grip onto it. But that's how simple it is. Put a little bit of oil and line the 2 notches, small and fat. Stick it back in, put the connector in, you're all done. And it's just a matter of removing the cover, and right there, you don't have to take out the whole canister, so just remove that valve. Anyways, check out my rest of my video. I'm gonna post right back after this, and I did do the complete job.